promising you better though. Your friends saying let them go. And we ain't getting any younger. I can give them now, but I can promise you forever. That's right. You got it. I'm along to it. Baby, don't worry. I got plans for you.
Hey y'all, oh my goodness. Oh wow. Hey everyone. I'm at the beach. I wasn't prepared for the beach, so I just went and bought a bathing suit, but I didn't even remember that I had this on. Golly. My hair is all wet and stuff. But I wanted you guys to see Hakeem trying to surf. So hold on. Babe, how you feel? Look at the camera. Alright.
Our girl just got the same phone, the 6?
Yeah.
Is that the 6 Plus?
The 6 Plus.
Yeah, I work at Verizon right there in Pompano.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Alright, you're on YouTube, okay? Did he do it somewhat right?
Huh?
Did he do it somewhat right?
Yeah, no, he did it. It's just he got a balance after that.
Wow.
Yeah, once you get it going, it's easy. It's just balance. Oh shit, that was a good one. Like,
how did that feel? There we go. Try to do that. Huh?
Damn golly.
Let's
more wax on it though. That way you don't slide so much. Yeah, like this. Yeah, go. Yeah, he got it.
He got it?
Yeah, he got it.
Oh, okay. Say you got it. Yes, y'all. So I'm like OMDG. I hope my hair is okay, but I have on makeup and everything, y'all, as y'all can see. Like, don't judge me. But yeah, it wasn't even gonna, like, I don't know. Hakeem just like, oh, let's go to the beach, and I wasn't even prepared, but whatever. Yep. So this is my hair and stuff.
We just moved down here like a week ago. Yeah, y'all like it out here? Yeah, it's pretty nice. You can change up from Tampa.
Oh really? Tampa is like what, country?
No. Tampa's more city. More city than anything. They just keep building more and more homes.
Oh really?
Yeah. Around here it's just a lot of beach, a lot of nightlife around here.
Yeah. So you live on the beach?
We live like 10-15 minutes away off Atlantic.
Okay.
What I say? Yeah. It's nice. Tampa was like an hour and away to go to the beach. Yeah.
Where's your girlfriend?
Playing down over there, playing around with her phone.
Oh. guys, if you go like further down, way down there, then it's like a whole bunch of people. Like Hakeem, he doesn't like, yeah, like if you go way down there, it's like way more people. But Hakeem, he doesn't like the crowd, so he's like, oh, let's go somewhere it's not much people. But yeah, look at Hakeem, y'all. It's like, and that's him right there, right there. And that's my babe. Oh, where did he find y'all? Oh, he's right there, right there. Alright. But you guys, I'm so worried about my hair. Like, it's wet. It's so wet. I'm about to take it down and see how wet it is. I didn't feel like washing it today. Oh man. Oh, so wet. Yeah. Well, I guess the end part is wet, but on fleek, on fleek, on fleek, on fleek. Oh Lord. But how's your Sunday going? Today's Sunday and we're at the beach. How's your Sunday going? I hope it's going fantastic, okay? You guys should enjoy your Sunday and live it up. Especially for those who's on summer break. Just live it up, you know? It comes like right there. Whatever. And I'm back up here trying to get my phone, like put my phone down so I could go back in the water with him. It's just not look right. I'm like vlogging all this time and not doing anything, but yeah, it's pretty wet. Alright, I'm not really happy about that, but where's he running to? Look. What you doing? He ain't answering me. But first, let me take a selfie. Alright, y'all. I am about to go enjoy this beach out here with my man. Because that's what I came here for, I guess. I mean, you know. Alright, y'all. I will talk to you guys and vlog a little bit more when I'm out. Love y'all. You out of shape? Huh? You see Hakeem? He cut his little hair right here, y'all. He's upset about that. But he did it. Very sexy. This is my baby.
Yeah, she love H. And H told me they came.
Okay, let me tell y'all why he's mad at me.
I ain't mad as shit.
Some boy that used to like me a long time ago, well, he still do like me. And the thing is, like, me and this boy don't have nothing. Like, I don't like him. I'm not attracted to him. He's not my type. Nothing like that. But he still has my number because I've been had the number for like 1,000 years now. Like, really, like, I have the same number. I'm not a person that changed numbers. So he's like, he texts me and everything like that whenever he see me on Facebook. Like, this boy stopped me. So he texts my phone and I'm not saying nothing. He says he missed me or whatever. I didn't say I miss him back. I don't do nothing. And Hakeem's blaming me that I'm doing something wrong. I'm not doing nothing. I'm a faithful girl. Y'all could tell I love my man, right? You tired?
What?
You tired?
Fuck, dog.
He's upset at me right now. Like Like, what girl will mess up something good when somebody is like, would do anything for them and stuff like that? Like, we good. Why would I mess things up? I mean, every relationship is, you know, not the best, but, you know, we have our ups and downs, like I said. But, I mean, in this time that we live in, who wouldn't want to hold on to the person that actually loves and cares for them? What, stupid girl? Why you saying your face like that? Turn up, 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 turn up. Pay me any attention, y'all. Come on down.
I don't wanna give it up.
We're done going. I don't know where we're going now. Probably to Tishana's for dinner.
Oops, sorry.
You want to be in the selfie?
Yeah.
I thought you were using Periscope or something.
Damn, who that? That body though. Alright, y'all. I'll talk to you guys when I get in the car.
So, I know y'all be seeing me and I don't say much because I'm a person that don't like to say much. But I find it ironic, you feel me? How you can do so much for a female, whatever they want you to do, you do it. Let her hold your car whenever, but she have the nerve to be texting Mr. H. That's all I gotta say.
What's up?
We're at Tishana's.
Could you tell me what make you do this?
Sure not.
I love my gravy.
Love it? Oh, me too. I love gravy.
He said that if it's me, that's cool for you to do that.
No,
So could you tell me why make you share this so much food?
oh. I love gravy.
Bye, guys.